Hi guys, and welcome to Crypto Gems. In this video we will talk about a very interesting project, Edge. It's a watch to earn platform or a watch to earn project, meaning that you can watch some content and earn money out of your watching time. And also as a publisher, as a content creator, you can get some interesting rewards. So we will talk about that in the next few minutes. But first of all, this video is not financial advice. This video is only for educational purposes, and you should do your own studies before investing in anything. And let's get into it. So guys, here we are on the platform, at the Edge platform. It's a video network, meaning that you can watch to earn. As you can see here, you will find a bunch of live TV or live music or live streams or whatever. You can find music, you can find pieces of news, you can find Bloomberg, you can find poker, as you can see, and things are just watching live as you watch, and it's all here in the ticker. You can see all the viewers, watch to earn viewer, watch time, and watch to earn time, and also the engagement boost is currently with a negative. But generally speaking, here in a nutshell, this platform is a watch to earn platform, meaning that as a publisher and as a viewer, you can watch to earn, or you can create content to earn. This is based on the Web3 idea or Web3 infrastructure, meaning that both viewer and publisher can earn money by creating and watching or consuming content. As you go down, you will get more and more information. You can see that there are the partners, Euronews, Bloomberg, and more. You can find some news channel, you can find some sports channel, and as you scroll down, you will see a very interesting feature here, which is facial recognition in a very smart way, that if you're watching a piece of news or a piece of video, and this video with this system, it detects any kind of celebrity or any kind of influencer, let's put it this way, any influencer with a high potential of viewers or a high influence rate, and this viewer or this influencer has any NFT related or linked to this platform, it can take you directly to their NFT and you can buy it. So it's a win-win situation for you as a viewer to invest in a highly potential NFT, and also as a publisher, because you have already your own NFT and you want to sell them and you want to publish them, and you can get that with this platform here. So it's kind of a clear win-win situation for both parties. And here we go to a very interesting part, which is the seed coin. This token here, or this coin here, it's used both by the publisher and the viewer. By the publisher, you will need as a publisher to buy some coins and deposit it in your wallet, and you will have to pay 50% to your viewers in order for you to gain some tractions and just get the ball rolling. And over here as a viewer, you will watch to earn. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. You can watch a piece of content and you will see in live, and as you watch, you will see that your tokens are growing and your income is growing as well as you're watching. Is there any way that you can actually increase your earning while watching? Yeah, you can actually increase your earning by just turning up the volume. Yes, and as you scroll down here, you will find something rather interesting about this project, which is the CDN. There's not much information about that, but basically they're just saving data. They are saving hundreds and hundreds of gigabytes of data and self-organizing and utilizing, optimizing the whole process of broadcasting. So you can watch here a demo. I just cannot play it right now, but you can watch here a demo of the whole concept and you will inform yourself more. So basically here, this diagram here or this graph here, it's showing you what's the whole concept. As a publisher, you will publish it to a viewer, and the viewer will pass it on to a viewer, and the viewer will pass it on to another viewer. So it's kind of it's a web, but it's a Web3. So everyone is a winner here. It's not like YouTube, it's not like Google, it's not only the giants are controlling everything. No, you as a viewer, you're in control, and you as a publisher, you're also in control, and everyone is a winner in this platform. Here we can go to the core team. The core team here, it's pretty interesting and diverse team. You can go to their LinkedIn, which is very brave nowadays that they can put their LinkedIn, so you can reach out to them. You can actually check that they are legitimate people. You can see what kind of CV they have in their lives and their curriculum and the achievements in life, and they're all crypto and NFT enthusiasts, and you can inform yourself more about this project. It's amazing. It's all linked down below in the description, so I would highly recommend you to check it out. The advisory team also is here, also with LinkedIn linked to their accounts, some from Disney, some from Citibank and Intel, and they're all big names and they're all trustworthy. So I would say there is a good potential with this
project to be huge in the future. And here's also some partners. Polygon, it's actually interesting to notice that it's based on the Polygon infrastructure, all the Polygon network. Of course, if you're a crypto enthusiast, you will know Polygon, you will know that it's competing with Ethereum to a certain extent. Of course, Ethereum is way more advanced, but I would say Polygon is trying to cure some deficiencies in Ethereum, and they are certainly succeeding in some aspects. So this project, this whole project is based on a very successful platform, which is Polygon, or a very successful infrastructure. And here you can follow their news. They have also a Twitter account over here. You can follow them. They have over 12,000 followers. And as you scroll down, you can keep yourself updated with the latest news, what they're on about, what kind of projects they're working on, and you can inform yourself more about the whole idea behind this platform. Also, they have their Instagram page. Their Instagram page here is quite simple. It's not much followers, but just looking at what they're doing and getting the whole concept in hand here, you will get more and more familiar with this platform, and you will gain more information. And information is key nowadays. Once you get the information, you will widen your horizon with the whole thing. As you can see here, once I open this is your news, and you can connect your wallet and start earning once you link up your MetaMask wallet. And you can also look at the Edge video extension here and get more and more information. It takes some time to maneuver your way around this platform, and here is their white paper. You'll find their Twitter, you'll find their Telegram community, their Instagram, their web, everything is here, and you can dig deeper and get yourself involved. So I will leave everything, as I said, down below in the description, and feel free to watch it and use it, and try to get yourself more and more involved in these creative projects, because Web3 is coming, and it's coming strong, and everyone will be a winner. So it's rather being an early winner there, rather than just waiting on the sidelines and watching everything explodes and just jumps to the moon. So you can just get involved right now and get yourself more and more informed. This is a very promising project, and hopefully you like it. Hopefully you just check it out and find it useful for you.
So guys, in a summary, we went through this platform, what's it all about. We gave you some examples of what to expect once you get involved, and how to manage your way around this website, and the interesting idea behind this whole concept. Of course, if you found it any interesting, you can hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, so many people can reach this video as well, and leave any comments you might have in the comment section below, and see you next video. Bye bye.